Hello and welcome to our exciting and educational video on spelling words with the letter Y. Today, we're going to embark on a word-filled journey and learn how to spell some fantastic words that begin with the letter Y. Before we dive into today's video, if you enjoy this video, consider subscribing so you won't miss out on future uploads. Let's start with an easy word. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Great job! Can you spell it with us? Next, we have yarn. Y-A-R-N. Well done! Now, let's move on to some slightly more challenging words. Yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y. Excellent. Yo-yo. Y-O-Y-O. Keep up the good work. For our next word, we have yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Amazing job. Next up, we have yawn. Y-A-W-N. Wow, you're doing great. Let's keep going with some more challenging words. Year. Y-E-A-R. Great work. Yesterday. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Well done. And for our next set of words, we have yogurt. Y-O-G-U-R-T. Excellent job. Yoga. Y-O-G-A. Keep it up. Now, let's tackle some really challenging words. Yak. Y-A-K. Amazing. Youthful. Y-O-U-T-H-F-U-L. You're doing fantastic. And for our final words, we have yodel. Y-O-D-E-L. Great job. And lastly, yeti. Y-E-T-I. You did it. We hope you had an awesome time learning to spell these words with the letter Y. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of our latest videos on spelling, grammar, and more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.